In the immediate aftermath of nuclear detonation, we are faced with a catastrophe of unimaginable proportions. Cities would be reduced to rubble, with fires raging across vast landscapes, consuming everything in their path. The death toll would skyrocket into the millions, if not billions, within a matter of days. But the devastation doesn't end there. The firestorms, a byproduct of the nuclear detonation, would churn out massive amounts of soot and dust into the stratosphere. This thick, dark cloud would shroud our planet, blocking sunlight and wreaking havoc on global climate systems. This phenomenon, known as a nuclear winter, could plunge the Earth into a deep freeze. Temperatures would plummet, disrupting weather patterns and playing havoc with global agriculture. The fields that once bore crops would become barren, frozen wastelands. The impact on food production would be devastating, and the world could be faced with the grim reality of mass starvation. The scale of the disaster would largely depend on the extent of the nuclear conflict. A regional conflict might bring about severe consequences, but a full-scale global nuclear war would be cataclysmic. Civilization as we know it could collapse, and the long-term survival of the human race would be at stake. In conclusion, the effects of a nuclear war would be both immediate and long-lasting. From the initial devastation and loss of life to the ensuing nuclear winter and potential for mass starvation, the consequences would be dire. Whether it's a regional conflict or a global war, the aftermath of a nuclear detonation would have profound and potentially irreversible impacts on our planet and the survival of humanity. So as we consider the future of our world, we must remember the potential consequences of nuclear conflict. It's a grim picture, but one that underscores the importance of diplomacy, disarmament, and the pursuit of peace. After all, the survival of our planet and the human race depends on it.